Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create shadow frame effect on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut, and as you can see, I have imported my video. I'm going to create shadow frame effect for this video. I'm going to add the black background first. I'm going to use black background from the CapCut library. Okay, I'm going to make it align with my video, and then we're going to duplicate the original video, and I'm going to put it on the second layer. Okay, like this. And I'm going to apply blur effect to the main video. Just go to the effect and apply the blur effect. Okay, and I'm going to apply mask, but wait, before it I'm going to make it smaller, the second layer smaller like this, and I'm going to apply mask to the black background. You can go to the mask, add mask, and I'm going to choose the rectangle mask, and you can adjust the size like this guys. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And once you're done, you can adjust the feather like this. Or you can scroll down and you can adjust the feather here. And this is the final result. Wait. Okay. As you can see that the shadow frame effect has been created. Okay guys, and that's how we can create shadow frame effect on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!